most people searching for piles treatment make one big mistake. They look for one perfect surgery. Some say laser is the best, others swear for stapler, while some doctors still prefer open surgery. But the truth is, piles is not a one size fits all condition. If you chase just one procedure without understanding your stage and body needs, so you know exactly what works, when it works, and why your doctor chooses one method over another. Hi, I am Dr. Naveen Patilar, proctologist. I help people struggling with piles, fissure, fistula, and today's video is about clearing confusion around the pile surgery option. If you and your loved one is suffering, watch till the end because I will also tell you how to avoid common mistake while choosing treatment. And don't forget to subscribe for most trusted patient-friendly content. Just last week, a 34-year-old gentleman came to me. He had searched YouTube, Google for months and decided that laser surgery is only solution. But when I examined him, he had grade 3 piles with large prolapse. In his case, laser alone wouldn't give permanent relief. He needed a stapler approach. After I explained, he said, "Doctor, why is it so confusing? Why can't there be a one simple surgery for everyone?" And that's exactly what I want to clear today. So piles has a grade wise treatment approach. For grade 1 and early grade 2, we follow conservative management. In the conservative management, diet, lifestyle changes, fiber, sitz bath, and some medicines. These are extremely helpful in dealing with early stages of piles. Surgery is not always required. For grade 2 to grade 3, minimally invasive procedures are recommended, like laser hemorrhoidoplasty, which is best for small to medium sized piles. It is daycare, quick, gives minimum scar, but not suitable for every large prolapse pile. Another options are sclerotherapy and bend ligation, but these are only for grade 1 and grade 2 internal piles. These are office based procedure, quick, low downtown, but not very effective. Next is stapler surgery. Stapler surgery is excellent for grade 3 and grade 4 prolapse pile. It removes prolapse also and lift the tissue back. It is pain free compared to open surgery. Recurrence chances are also low when done at right stage. Traditional and open surgery. It is reserved for large, complicated and thrombosed pile. It has longer recovery time but sometimes only permanent choices. It is ideal for large prolapse thrombosed piles. It is not outdated, still gold standard treatment in certain situations, but it has a problem with the pain. But it has a problem of painful and longer recovery. So better to get treated at early stage than rather wait for piles to be complicated. So remember, don't get carried away by marketing word like painless laser, latest stapler. No single procedure is the best for everyone. Each has its own role. Your doctor job is to match your condition with most effective method. Your job is to trust the process, ask questions and avoid shortcuts. Piles is a stage-based disease. Laser, stapler, open bending, all are tools. Right tool depend on your stage, your anatomy, your doctor's judgment. So next time instead of asking doctor, will you do laser? Ask doctor, which procedure is best for my stage? That one shift in mindset will save you from recurrence and frustration. If you found this video useful, please share and subscribe to my channel. I regularly upload these kind of patient friendly videos for your help. If you have any doubt and any question, please feel free to write in the comment box. I will try to give you answer. Till then, bye.